Hello guys, welcome to Artia Tech. My name is Rohan, and in today's video I am going to show you how we can export a website like this, which is made in WordPress, to another WordPress instance using the freemium plugin all-in-one WP migration. To install this plugin, you have to go to plugins and click on add new. From there, search for all-in-one. Install the first plugin that comes up. After installing, under export option, click on file to start the export. Download the backup file to your local system. After downloading, go to the website where you want the backup to be imported. I have already installed WP migration in here. Click on it and go to the import option. Now drag and drop the backup file in the import menu. You can see that the backup is being imported to the current instance. Click on proceed. After a successful import, you can see a message like this, and when you check your website, you can see that the website has successfully been imported. That's all for today guys. Thank you, and I'll catch you upon the next video. Bye.